So in this Webull tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to have a black background theme here on your Webull account in the Webull application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Webull app. Once that is done, I want you to go to the bottom right, press on menu, then go to where it says shortcuts right here and press on settings. Then scroll down to the bottom until you come across an option that says theme right here, located between navigation settings and message settings. Press on theme. Now for me it actually is on the dark theme, but if you want to change this to the black theme, so that means the background of your screen is going to be black, just go to where it says black right here, make sure that is checked with a blue sort of circle, and as you know, if you were to go back, everything you can tell right here now has a black background instead of what I previously had, that being a dark theme background. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to have a black theme background here on the Webull application in your Webull account. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.